We'll guide you through how to check if WhatsApp is linked to another device. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. It's a good idea to go and check and review linked devices on WhatsApp because those linked devices are going to go and have access to your WhatsApp account. They'll be able to go and send and receive messages and also just go and see the different conversations, etc. Over time, it's pretty common that you're going to link different devices, perhaps at work, because it is really convenient being able to go and use WhatsApp on a computer, but you may have gone and linked it to other phones or iPads, etc. So it's a good idea to go and review them and just make sure that the devices you're aware of, and you can always go and log out and remove them if you no longer have access or another reason why. So it's a really good idea to go and do this. We are doing this on an iPhone, but I'm going to guide you through how you can do it on an Android as well. It's a similar process, it's just located in a slightly different place. So to go and get started with this on an Android, you want to come onto the chats page. Now what you need to do is go and head to the top right. There are three dots. Go and tap those three dots and you can go down the list. And you need to go and find the option for linked devices. Alternatively, on an iPhone, head to the bottom right and go and find the gear or cog icon, that is settings, tap there. Then you can go down and find linked devices, as you can see, and you can then tap there. Now you're going to go and see the different devices here. So I can go and see I've got a linked device, which is in Google Chrome in Windows and in Safari on a Mac. So you can go and see when they're last active here. And if you want to go and then see a bit more info or maybe even log it out, you can go and tap on it. So you can go and see the location as well, which is really convenient. And you can go and see the recent messages have been synced. If I wanted to go and log it out, I could press log out and then confirm the decision, and the device is then unlinked and it's removed. So that device will no longer have access. Of course, you can always go and link it again in the future if you want to go and have access. So I could do that. But that's it. That is how you can go and check them there. And it's a very similar process on an Android. You can go and tap on them to go and remove them. And you can go and check them there and review them. So that's it.